Every experience becomes some type of rooted foundation. Some foundations are stable enough to evolve. And then there's some foundations that are not upheld with enough roots to continue its evolvement. But it doesn't take away the fact that every experience that you have experienced in this life created some type of grounding. And it's up to you to look at each experience and see if the roots are stable and in an alignment to continue a growth that you agree with within yourself. But overall, the grounds, the roots play a part into your experience. So the reason I can say for me that these trees represent experiences in our life is because there's only, I hope this makes sense, there's only one name for each experience. Does that, I hope that made sense. And so what I'm saying is, it's not that one experience is worse than the other. It's that certain experience developed a awareness, and for that certain root, certain experience had to happen. So then you get to a place where you know what stability, you know what it is that you need that completes you. You get to a point and you say, okay, now that I'm rooted and grounded, I can evolve from here. And sometimes getting to that place is an awareness that now that I'm rooted and grounded, I see myself, or I have an awareness that this from here, or this involvement from here is better done with two. It doesn't take away the fact that I'm stable within myself, you're stable within yourself, and we understand that, and from that stability we can grow individually together. And we have our own experience, individually, and we share those collectively together.